Hello again. So this is Ivan from DC31. So we're gonna talk about NAMPREL and Wansabayanan. So first I'm gonna summarize it from you and answer the five question, which is the what is article all about, what is the issues from the article, who are the actors involved in the case, and the violation did the actors commit in relation to RA 10175 and why. And what are your takeaways from this article? So, first of all, what is the article all about? The article talks about concerns regarding NAMPREL or National Citizen Movement for Free Election supposed connection with Juan Sambayan because they shared technical resources. This raised questions about NAMPREL roles as independent and neutral organization. It also points out serious problems with security of the system, which allowed sensitive personal information to be exposed. The article emphasized the need for secure and transparent systems, especially when dealing with election-related data. And what are the issues from the article? So the main issues are about neutrality and data security. First, they shared use of technology caused confusion and raised doubts about Lamprey's impartiality. Second, poor security measures led to sensitive information being exposed, putting people's privacy at risk. These problems highlight the importance of having secure and trustworthy and well-managed systems when dealing with sensitive information. So, who are the actors involved in the case? So, the people in the group involved are Namprel and Mansambayan, and a third-party app developer and a media outlet. Namprel was accused of being connected to Mansambayan, which raised questions about its neutrality, as I said earlier. The app developer created the system that had technical issues leading to confusion and security risks. The media played a role in reporting the situation, sparked public discussion about and security. So, what violation did the actors commit in relation to RA 10175 and why? The situation may involve violation of RA 10175, which is the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Security flaws in the systems allowed sensitive information to be exposed, which goes against rules meant to protect data. The lack of proper security measures shows negligence in securing sensitive systems, and additionally, if any claims were made publicly, without proof, it could fall under cyber libel, as it could harm reputation and public trust. And what are your takeaways on this assignment, or what are my takeaways of? This assignment shows the importance of having strong cybersecurity and transparency, especially when handling sensitive information like the election data. It emphasized how poor management can lead to a data breaches and public mistrust. The case reminds us that accurate and responsible reporting is crucial to prevent the spread of false information. In the end, secure and neutral systems are essential to maintain trust, integrity, and processes that affect to the public. And that's it. This is the article about.